You don't need to read books to understand people. Just observe. These four subtle signs reveal the deepest truths about someone's beliefs and values. The philosophy behind people's behavior. Four signs that expose their inner world. 1. Avoiding eye contact. It's not always insecurity. When someone constantly avoids looking you in the eye, they may not be shy. They might be philosophically conflict averse. This kind of person usually believes that peace is more valuable than truth. To them, confrontation is chaos and silence is serenity. Their discomfort reveals a worldview where harmony outweighs clarity. 2. The face-down phone. Modern stoicism or emotional guard. You're talking and they flip their phone face down. That's not just about manners. It's a subtle way of saying, I choose what controls my attention. In philosophy, that's close to stoic self-regulation, valuing what you let in and keeping your emotional world inwardly guarded, not externally manipulated. 3. The thoughtful pause before they speak. Ask a meaningful question and notice the delay. If they pause, it's not hesitation, it's intellectual responsibility. People who pause before answering often subscribe to the Socratic ideal, that words must follow thought, not the other way around. This simple moment shows a commitment to reflection over reaction. 4. Who they laugh with reveals who they align with. In any group, observe who people look at when they laugh. These glances aren't random, they're nonverbal alliances. Laughter is a moment of lowered defenses, and where it's directed reveals philosophical alignment. It shows who they feel safe with, who they understand, and who they follow, without saying a word. Philosophy doesn't just live in books, it lives in people, in their silences, in their gestures, in what they protect and in what they reveal. The world is constantly speaking. The question is, are you paying attention? Which of these behaviors have you noticed in someone? And what did it reveal to you about them? Let's discuss in the comments. Your insights might just teach someone to see the world differently.